Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are doing a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these, it feels like, in a hot minute, so I am super excited and I hope you are too. So in today's video I'm collaborating with the Makeup Mafia group. Now you guys have seen us do thousands, well not thousands, but plenty of looks. We've done a Halloween look, we've done the green look for St. Patrick's Day. We've done several type of collaborations together, and in this group we are just a makeup group. We love to showcase our creativity and our passion and just relax with you guys and play with some makeup. So if you're interested to see what type of flower inspired makeup look that I am going to create, what I'm going to use, stay tuned, grab a snack, and let's just have some fun. So in this collaboration, in this group, we have Sherri Ward. Love her. Her heart is so just comforting, and she's so welcoming. She's so down to earth. Her channel is just so relaxing to watch. Can I say so any more times in this video, Chip? Really? But she is an amazing lady. We have Kimberley Elle. Her channel is great. She does great first impressions. She shows you palettes, she shows you technique, she shows you hauls, and she just did her Sephora haul. Well, it was like her Ulta haul, and it was really fun to watch, so please go and watch that. We have Jamie from Confessions of a Makeup Addict. That girl has the spunk and the fire that my soul needs, okay? She is just so spunky and so just like real, and I love it. I love watching her because it just energizes me so much. We have a Nona from My So-Called Life 1977, and her, oh, Nona, we love you. I love you. She is the sweetest person. Everyone here in this group, I love you guys so much. Nona has amazing Shop My Stash videos. She actually goes through her collection and shows you not only what she has, but what she's pulling to use for the week. She does first impressions. She does a lot of collabs with other channels as well, showing love to other smaller content creators here on this platform. And we also have Courtney, and Courtney is, she's been gone for a little minute, but she is back, and we're so happy that you're back, Courtney. We missed you so much. Courtney has a great vibe, she has great energy, and she does great unboxings as well, and also fun makeup looks. Without any further ado, let's jump into this makeup look and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Beauty Blender, the Leveler Pore Minimizing Primer, and this is in Tan to Deep. It's good to smooth the skin and also fill your pores, so it just gives you like a really nice clean base to work with. And so today I wanted to go with a matte foundation, and so I'm using one of my favorite matte foundations that I have tried. This is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade F5.40, and it is just one of my favorite full coverage matte to the matte type of foundations to use. And I'll be just using it's a black blender that I got in one of my boxy charms, and it is also one of my favorite kind of sponges to use for this foundation. And to highlight my face, I'll be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 9. I'm going to apply this under my eyes and the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my forehead. And to set the concealer, I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Translucent Medium Deep. Okay, and to set the foundation and just the rest of my face kind of all over, I'll be going in with the Cover FX. Now this is the Pressed Mineral Foundation in the shade N100. And I'll be using a big fluffy brush from Sephora and just applying this really all over my face. And for a blush, I'm using the Becca Luminous Blush, and this is in the shade Dahlia. And I'll be applying that with a Sephora blush brush and just on my cheeks. Okay, so that is basically it for my base. We've done foundation, concealer, set everything, and added some blush. I'm going to wait for my highlighter till the end because I want to make sure that the flower detail is really where I want to place it, and then we'll add the highlighter to finish off the look. So with that being said, let's zoom in a little bit closer and let's add some flowers to the face. Okay, so I wanted to just kind of test out this method, and it's actually working pretty well. So let me go ahead and explain it. So I'm using my white Snazero face paint, paint, and I'm just dipping my Sephora Pro Drawing Shadow Brush number 41 into water and really just lathering up this brush with some white paint. And then for the inside of the blues, I dove into the Jeffree Star Blue Blooded Lip Bundle, and I'm using a variety of colors like Ice Tray, Jawbreaker, and let's see, and also Blue Velvet. And I'm just stamping on flowers around my face. So what I want to do is create this same type of flower pattern on the other side as well. Okay, so now what I want to do is just go back and add some small detail work. So I'm just going to take some of more of the white paint and just add some dots around the flowers. Okay, so next with some Snazero green face paint, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of leaves here and there just to kind of finish up the flower look. Next, I want to add some jelly toppers from Spooky Babe Cosmetics. Alright, so I'm going to hop off camera and add my wig and everything and finish off the look, and we'll be right back to see the completed flower inspired look. So I went ahead and added the Spooky Babe Cosmetics jelly topper to my cheeks as well, a little bit on my forehead just to kind of bring a little bit more sparkle to the look. I added Spooky Babe lashes in Spooky Boo and also some ColourPop gel liner, mascara, and yeah, so everything really came out so cute. This was such a cute collab. It pushed me out of my comfort zone just to do some face art, which I haven't done flowers before, so this is awesome. So again, please make sure you go check out my description box because it will have everything I used, including all the ladies that were involved in this collaboration, so you can check out all the fun spring flower inspired looks. And with that being said, you guys, that's all I have. Please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and you'll be notified when I post a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.